Today I'm gonna let you know how you can stop the annoying Windows auto updating the Intel or any GPU you are using, and Windows is automatically updating. This is so annoying. You installing again and again the stock and really updated driver from the manufacturer website like Intel or Nvidia or anything else, but Windows update keep updating that to old version and you want to get rid of that. So in case we have this Intel USD graphics, just right click on this one and click properties, click drivers, and remember that you have to do this after the Windows update already overwriting your driver, like you install the driver from your stock like Intel or Nvidia, and Windows then automatically update that to the previous version like this one. Then you have to roll back the driver and just click this one, previous version of the better features, and click here. Okay, so after updating we are back, and here you can see Intel UHD, and let's see. Okay, you can see we are now on the latest 2026 driver, and this is the quickest fix you can do, and this works with the specific drivers or specific device you have. This will not do the annoying registry or any other tricks. Hope you like this quick fix.